Okay, let's talk about funnel systems and what they are and how they have definitely, like Grant Cardone, doesn't he say 10x? Okay, 20x. It's kind of where you might make $1, and if you 10x, you jump it up to 10, and maybe you jump it up to 1,000, or maybe, I don't know. Can you believe people make 50 to 100,000 a month? It's pretty exciting, huh? All right. If you and I start making 50 grand a month, let's try not to have heart attacks and go crazy. Okay, deal? All right, guys. I'm just going to show you a website, and I'll show you even the back office a little bit. Okay, just what it looks like, what it can do, what I recommend, especially if you have no idea how you want to make money online, because there's so many opportunities out there. But all I can tell you is that the opportunities I'm in, they're working. As of December 6th of 2024, today is my birthday. All right. Everything I'm going to show you makes money every 24 hours. If I'm sleeping, eating, or blowing out my birthday cake, getting fat. Okay. Let's just start in baby steps. And that involves showing you my screen and then going on a little journey. Okay. So here we go, guys. Okay. Now, if you go to corydraper.com, all right, this is a website that I own. And let me see if I can pop up my little business card. I like to pop up business cards that I made at Vistaprint. Okay, there it is. All right, let me just center it. Okay, I think you can see it. Okay, corydraper.com. When you click it, you just go to this blue little thing here with somebody drowning. And look, I like how the hand comes and saves. Okay, I really just relate to this because sometimes you're just drowning in debt. And right now it's like, here comes the guy with some cash. Looks like a guy hand. All right, so anyway, with my funnel system, if you go to corydraper.com, go 1, 2, 3 buttons down, and you're going to see multiple income funnel. I want you to click it. There you go, guys. All you got to do is watch this video, click that little red button, okay, and make a decision. All right, do you want a funnel system? Okay, if you got 49 bucks, believe it or not, you can climb aboard this bad boy, okay? So why don't I go ahead and just log in, and I'm going to show you the back office. I think that's always the best to do anyway, is just show you what I got cooking, okay? So right now I'm going to hit this black little rectangle button on your screen. Let me explain what the funnel is. Basically, you go to one link, and let me give you two. You can see what I do. Now, when you go to corydraper.com, that third button down said multiple income funnel, right? Well, if you go to pleasewatchvideo.com, I bought that at GoDaddy, and it also forwards to the capture page. And all you do is watch that video, and if you like what you see, you can go ahead and get it more information, or you can go ahead and join. Okay, because when you put your email address in, you're going to get an email from this funnel company, and you can join from there. But let me show you in the back office how I've been able to make one heck of a lot of money and get a lot of signups in LIVEGOOD, and another great opportunity as well. Okay, when you join, you're going to follow step 1, 2, 3, and 4. And when you click these little buttons, right here in the middle of your screen, you can see it's a video screen. This is just nothing more than how to set up your funnel. Now, when you join this, I'm also going to send you an email exactly how I configure my funnel. Okay. Now, my two money makers that I highly recommend is Legacy Builders, my lead gen secret. You can see this says traffic authority. And let's just start at stream number 1, because you have 4 incomes when people come to this funnel. The first one is the funnel system itself. Okay. People pay 49 bucks. Okay. They pay for this opportunity for credit card processing, customer service. You can put in 2 of your own incomes right here in 2 and 3. And like I said, if you don't have any idea what to put there, I suggest these 2 opportunities I'm going to talk about. Okay. So for that 49, you come aboard, and I'll tell you what, guys, it's very effective, because then people join this funnel, you make some money, then they go to income stream number 2, Legacy Builders Program. If people want to look into this, they watch a short little video, make a decision. This company very regularly, believe it or not, puts $100 to $900 in my pocket a day. Not a week, not a month. Okay. So if you don't have any idea what opportunities are out there, I highly suggest you get a hold of me, and I'll help you configure Legacy in your stream 2. Stream number 3, people need email leads. Okay. So with my lead gen secret, people can click this button, they watch a little video, and they can go ahead and join if they'd like to. If you look at the middle of my screen, here's an example. They just hit that YouTube button. And if they want to join, see the little blue sign up today. Okay. Do you see how everything is just me inviting people to watch short little videos that do all the training and recruiting? I don't have to do a video like I'm doing now. I just do this because it's kind of fun. All right. I like making how-to videos or showing you what I do. Okay. Traffic Authority. This is the fourth opportunity to make money. They own this whole funnel system. What they do is they sell an insanely great educational courses. They're very high end. They're like Harvard University. They also supply leads, clicks, and traffic if your company or opportunity allows you to use paid traffic. All right. They've got the best guys. So multiple income funnel can put hundreds of dollars in your pocket per day or more. Legacy builders, it's insane. Number 3, got a third income with My Lead Gen because everybody could use some email leads. And Traffic Authority, if you want to pay $20 a month, you're now an affiliate. And guess what? You can get a portion of the opportunities or the clicks, the leads, the education they sell. You know, sometimes I make $1,000 to $4,000 a month just off the affiliate of Traffic Authority. I'm going to find out in about an hour or two, but I think I have about $500 or $600 this week coming just in commissions off Traffic Authority. And I'm just an affiliate. All I do is just invite people to this funnel and just go, guys, go to pleasewatchvideo.com. Watch the top of my screen. Watch when I type it, please watch video. Do you see how it just pops up to the capture page here? You don't have to build this. I just picked the palm trees. These are already built. When you go to the back office, okay, you can pick any capture page you'd like that they already have pre-built. This one's by far the most effective. I hope if you join, you go ahead and use this page. This one's awesome. Let people watch the YouTube video. All right. Just let people have a good time. Okay. And I'll help you fill out all this back office stuff. It only takes about 5 minutes, believe it or not. It's super easy. Let me log back in. They have contests all the time. I've been number 1 in this company 7 months in a row out of the last 8. Look at that. I'm number 1 again. Okay. They give away big screens, $1,000 cash, microwaves. They give away clicks, leads, education, traffic. Okay, guys. I have some of the biggest network marketers in the world in this funnel system. And it's an honor to be number 1 7 months in a row now. Okay. I'm a really big fan of a funnel system. Now, if you want to join LiveGood directly, that's awesome. You can always just go to joincory.com. Okay. We'll get you aboard. But I highly recommend that if you join LiveGood, let's get some systems, techniques, some funnels that help you. It's like LiveGood's a little baby, but it needs a blanket and love and tenderness. Or maybe it's like a little piece of steak that's just delicious, but it could use some salt, pepper, maybe some A1. You know what I mean? Okay. But let's get you going in LiveGood, and let's get you in this funnel system. It hands down works. It's the best funnel system, I think, online. And the best part is if you have 2 other opportunities, just toss aside the email system or the leads or even LiveGood or Legacy Builders program. If you're in other programs, 2, put those 2 in the 4 income streams. Number 1's always going to be the funnel. Number 4 is Traffic Authority that owns the funnel. That stream 2 and 3, that income 2 and 3, you decide. That money goes to you. But when people join the funnel, that money goes to you every single, by Friday how much you made, they pay on Monday. And on the 2nd and 3rd income stream, guys, I highly recommend the opportunities that I use. And I'll give you an email exactly how to set it up. And it only takes minutes anyway. Customer service, Mandy runs it for Traffic Authority and the funnel. She's up in Canada. And Greg, the owner of this whole operation, he's in Tallahassee. Just outstanding customer support. Very social. They do trainings. They have recorded training that it'll take hours and hours, weeks and weeks, months and months to go over. And it is good. They tell you exactly what to do. You just sit back with a pad and paper, or if you have an extra computer screen open, watch their training and then do on the other screen. I call it mirroring. Okay. But it's up to you. Take your time. It's all recorded. If you want to watch 5 minutes, 10 minutes of training, then watch it. Right? It'll help you in any business, not just this funnel system, not just in the opportunities I do. Everything that I recommend, you can make money on in any opportunity online. That's why I call it a tool like a screwdriver. Okay. Like a tape measure, a hammer. That's what I recommend. That's what I like to make money on. If I'm going to earn money from you, I want you to be able to use this software down the road, a year from now, 5 years from now, in any opportunity that you want to promote. Okay. So anyway, go to CoryDraper.com. All right. I want you to just go ahead and look into that opportunity and look into that website that I built. Where it is. There it is. Okay. Just remember it's the third down. So if you want to look at the funnel, and if you want to join LiveGood, just go to the top one there. And there's Legacy Builders. Okay. And then here's the 4. Remember the income stream 3? It said My Lead Gen. Okay. That's why just going directly to CoryDraper.com sometimes is just so much easier than me directing you to a couple other links, but it's all easy, guys. But once I set up these opportunities, I'm done. There's nothing left for me to do. I invite you to a setup link. The video does all the training and recruiting. And if you want to join, you can. I want you to do exactly what I do. I want you to copy 100%, 1000% what I do. Okay. Let's just take out the guesswork and we'll learn some new styles and techniques maybe down the road. But right now, let's see what works right now, December 6th on my birthday in 2024, okay? Thanks, guys, for your time. If you need me, Cory at CoryDraper.com. Just email me. You can get a hold of me on Facebook through my inbox or subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment anywhere below the video, and I get the messages. I'll answer you right away, okay? All right, guys, have a good day, and we'll see you next video. Thanks. Bye.